Alright, man, just go and eat it.
Hurry up before you take it back. You better hurry up and eat it.
Did Malachi eat some?
Yeah. Well,
Nah, Malachi didn't get to get none.
Hurry up.
What is...
Payback is a mother.
Payback is a mother. Can you... So, he just ate a cupcake. I put hot sauce, mustard, and toothpaste in it. How you like that, dog?
Did you really?
Oh, he got the inside.